Hi, good morning and welcome to Infinox Market Insights with me, Richard Perry, analysing markets for Infinox on Friday the 24th of December. It is Christmas Eve and trading desks are a little bit empty today, so it's not to be unexpected that we've got fairly quiet markets, and it's likely to be that that's going to be the case throughout the Christmas trading period over until the new year. Now, thin market trading conditions generally tends to see quiet market moves. However, that is the prospect potentially of some erratic moves still, but generally speaking, when markets are like this at Christmas, there tend to be very little real direction that we see. We've got the positive move through risk appetite that we've seen in the last few days just beginning to ease back slightly, a little bit of consolidation. Again, nothing to be unexpected there. And we've just seen some of those moves just starting to turn back a little bit. I'm looking at cable today, which has just had a strong run higher, breakout through key levels of resistance, but again, just starting to pull back. We've seen equity markets pushing through higher, and again, they're starting to bump up against resistance, and it may be time for consolidation there. But what we have today is precious metals markets are shut, so I'm just looking at the oil price on the commodities, and oil has been running higher strongly in the last couple of days, but once more hitting resistance as we come to the Christmas period. There's no data points today to be anywhere driving markets, so we're, again, nothing really to take too much direction from. So let's have a look at these charts. And looking at the Infinox MT5 platform, just kicking off with sterling dollar, we've seen three really strong bull candles in a row. And that move has just started to consolidate. Again, this is considering that we've got Christmas Eve and the Christmas trading period. Just consolidation of the move now. And the important thing will be, I think, in the coming days, will be how the markets react to what essentially was resistance around 33.50 to 33.70. That should now be supportive. And that coming in around those levels will be a level that the market will be looking out for. We've had this improvement in momentum, which has taken the market through this level of resistance. Effectively, that does complete a base pattern, but again, we need to see how the market reacts in the coming days to that support as to whether we really trust that move. It certainly looks at the moment as though the market is holding on to the gains, and you could effectively measure 33.70 down from 31.60. So again, that's sort of 200 odd pips of recovery potential further to the upside. So it gives you towards the 35 area, 36 potentially. So it could be that we do see further recovery gains if that support can be held. And on the oil price, again, three strong bull candles in a row, 3 strong days of risk appetite moving higher. But it's now coming up against a key level of resistance, $77.20, that reaction high that we saw in the first recovery. And again, the market is bumping up against that, just sort of backing off a little bit this morning as the market has sort of taken on through the Asian session. But again, it is testing this level. And again, how the market reacts around little near-term breakout levels. You've got the support now of the higher low at 75 figure up towards 75, 90, 76 figure. So 75 figure to 76, that'll be a key level of support. And again, initially this morning, that has already been tested, as you can see, as a little pullback has bounced off that level. So that's encouraging for the oil price, but it needs to get through 77.20. That is the key level of resistance there. If it does that, it can continue the rally higher, and then we can start to think about resistance levels up towards the 80 mark, 82 figure. But certainly for now, key level with the RSI at 50. Again, the next breakout, if that comes, would be a positive move through the oil price. And finally on the DAX, well, we've seen a sharp move higher again. Three risk positive days in a row has helped the DAX moving higher, and what we can see is that the market will be now sort of looking at in the days ahead, the DAX, whether it continues to push higher through that resistance, and that will be the key for traders, I think, whether it can get through 15,800 in the days ahead over Christmas and test that 15,870 again. If that is a move that can be continued through that, you can start to think about the all-time highs again, 16,300 area. But just for now, market is going to be looking at that resistance, and how the traders respond to that will be key. Now, market is actually shut today on the DAX today, so I'm sort of looking at further ahead in the days to come. But certainly I think that what we are looking out for will be support around 15,600 to be the next higher low area, and if that can be held, then we are looking positive again. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you found it informative for your trading, as I hope all the videos have been for your trading in 2021. That wraps it up for me. I'm going to be taking a bit of a Christmas break, but I'll be returning in the new year with some more market insights. And in the meantime, I wish you happy Christmas and a good new year for your trading. Thank you very much, everyone.